Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute other people in Google Meet. First, open your Google Meet on your computer and make sure you are in the meeting where the other person is speaking. Once you are in the call, look for the People area. Click that People icon to open the panel that lists everyone in the meeting. If you do not see the People icon right away, give the page a moment to load, and then move your cursor around the meeting window so the interface elements appear. Next, find the person you want to mute. In the People panel, you will see names, and depending on your view, you may also see a video tile or an entry that corresponds to their video. After you identify the person, click the three dots next to that person's name or entry. Now choose the option to mute. Click Mute or select the Mute command from the drop-down menu. Once you mute the person, you can continue the meeting without interruption. When you are ready, you can also unmute later using the same general place in the interface. The mute control is tied to that participant's menu, so you can return to their entry and select the unmute option when necessary. And that covers everything you need to know.